हेलो बच्चों, क्या हाल है। बायोनिक 360 में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आपके नीट के सफर में बायोनिक 360 आपके साथ है, जो आपके नीट की तैयारी में आपका हर संभव मदद करेगा। नीट की तैयारी के इस सफर में आज हम शुरुआत करेंगे बायोलॉजी के चैप्टर एनिमल किंगडम से। हमने जो वीडियो आपके लिए बनाया है उसका हर एक लाइन आपके लिए एक क्वेश्चन के समान है और उन CERT पर आधारित है। पूरा एनिमल किंगडम आपको 2 भागों में मिलेगा, जो कि पूरा डिस्क्रिप्टिव होगा। डिस्क्रिप्टिव सीरीज के बाद हम एनिमल किंगडम के ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन का सीरीज लाएंगे, जो पिछले 33 वर्षों के एग्जाम में पूछे गए क्वेश्चंस पर आधारित होगा। तो चलिए आज के वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं।
Animal Kingdom, Circulatory System, Open type, blood pumped out through heart. Cells and tissues are directly bathed in it. Closed type, blood is circulated through vessels. Symmetry, asymmetrical, cannot be divided into equal halves through median plane, e.g. sponges. Radial symmetry, any plane passing through central axis can divide organism into equal halves, e.g. hydra. Bilateral symmetry, only one plane can divide the organism into equal halves, e.g. annelids and arthropods. Animal kingdom, classification on basis of germinal layers. Diploblastic, cells arranged into embryonic layers, i.e. external ectoderm and internal endoderm. Mesoglia may be present in between ectoderm and endoderm, example coelenterates. Cnidarians, triploblastic, 3 layers present in developing embryo, i.e. ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Example chordates. Coelom, body cavity which is lined by mesoderm. Coelomates have coelom, example annelids, chordates, etc. Pseudocoelomates, no true coelom as mesoderm is present in scattered pouches between ectoderm and endoderm. Example ASCHELMINTHES. Acoelomates, body cavity is absent. Example PLATYHELMINTHES. Animal kingdom, Metamerism. If body is externally and internally divided into segments with serial repetition of at least some organs, then phenomenon is called metamerism. Example earthworm. Notochord, rod-like structure formed during embryonic development on the dorsal side. It is mesodermally derived. Example chordates. Animal kingdom, phylum PORIFERA characteristics, also called sponges, are usually marine and asymmetrical, have cellular level of organization. Food gathering, respiratory exchange and removal of wastes occurs through water canal system. Digestion intracellular. Ostia, minute pores on body, spongosoil, body cavity, and osculum help in water transport. They are lined by choanocytes, collar cells. Body wall has spicules and spongin fibers. Animals are hermaphrodite. Fertilization internal. Development is indirect, i.e. has a larval stage distinct from adult stage, example Cycon, Euspongia. Animal kingdom, phylum COELENTERATA characteristics, also called cnidarians, are usually marine and radially symmetrical, have tissue level of organization, are diploblastic. Food gathering, anchorage and defense occurs through nidoblasts present on tentacles. digestion extracellular and intracellular. Have gastrovascular cavity and an opening, hypostome. Body wall composed of calcium carbonate. Exhibit to body forms, polyp and medusa, example, Hydra, Aurelia. Alternation of generation between body forms called metagenesis occurs in Obelia, where medusa sexually produces polyps and polyps asexually produces medusae. Example, Physalia, Adamsia. Animal kingdom. Phylum CTENOPHORA. Characteristics, also called as sea walnuts or comb jellies, are exclusively marine, radially symmetrical. Have tissue-level organization, are diploblastic. Digestion both extra and intracellular. Body has 8 external rows of ciliate comb plates for locomotion. Show bioluminescence, living organism emit light. Only sexual reproduction occurs. External fertilization. Indirect development. Example, Denoplana, Pleurobrachia. Animal kingdom. Phylum Platyhelminths. Characteristics, also called as flatworms. Have dorsoventrally flattened body. Are endoparasites in animals. Are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, aquilumate. Absorb nutrients through body surface. Parasite forms have hooks and suckers. Flame cells help in osmoregulation and excretion. Fertilization internal. Many larval stages. Planaria has high regeneration capacity. Example, Taenia, tapeworm, fasciola, liver fluke. Animal kingdom. Phylum ASCHELMINTHES. Characteristics, also called roundworms. May be free-living, parasitic, aquatic or terrestrial. Are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, pseudocoelomate. Alimentary canal complete, has muscular pharynx, wastes removed through excretory pore. Sexes separate, dioecious. Shows dimorphism. Females longer than males. Fertilization internal. Development direct or indirect. Example, Ascaris, roundworm, Wuchereria, filaria worm, Ancylostoma, hookworm. Animal kingdom. Phylum Annelida. Characteristics, are aquatic or terrestrial, free-living or parasitic. Are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, organ system level of organization and metamerically segmented body. Have longitudinal and circular muscles for locomotion. Nereis, dioecious and aquatic annelid, has lateral appendages called parapodia for swimming. Have nephridia for osmoregulation and excretion. Example, earthworm, Fatima, and leech, Hirudinaria, which are hermaphrodites, i.e. monoecious. Animal kingdom. Phylum Arthropoda. Characteristics, largest phylum of Animalia. Are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic and organ system level of organization, coelomate. Body divisible into head, thorax, abdomen and has a chitinous exoskeleton. Jointed appendages are present. Respiration by gills, book gills, lungs or tract system. Excretion through Malpighian tubules. Mostly dioecious. Sensory organs, antennae, eyes, organs of balance, statocysts. Fertilization internal. Development is indirect or direct. Are mostly oviparous. Economically important insects, apis, honey bee, bombyx, silkworm, laxifer, lac insect, gregarious pest, locusta, locust, vectors, anopheles, culex and apes, mosquitoes, living fossil, limulus, king crab. Animal kingdom. Phylum Mollusca characteristics. Second largest phylum of Animalia. Are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic and organ system level of organization, coelemate. Body divisible into head, muscular foot and visceral hump and is covered by calcareous shell. It is unsegmented over visceral hump. Mantle, soft and spony layer of skin, mantle cavity, space between visceral hump and mantle. Respiration and excretion by feather-like gills in mantle cavity. Head has sensory tentacles. Radula file-like rasping organ for feeding. Are oviparous, dioecious, have indirect development. Example, Pilla, Pincatada, Octopus. Animal kingdom. Phylum ECHINODERMATA characteristics are spiny-bodied organisms. Are exclusively marine, radially symmetrical in adult but bilaterally symmetrical in larval stage. Organ system level of organization. Digestive system complete. Mouth ventral, anus on dorsal side. Food gathering, respiration, locomotion carried out by water vascular system. Excretory system is absent. Fertilization external. Development indirect, free swimming larva, egg, asterias, cucumeria.